Look guys, Dan the Tourist Dave. Yeah, just a quick afternoon project. I've got a couple of days holiday and just thought I'd do something just to use the time, I suppose. It's weird this year. Anyway, got a lump of birch. It's out of like kindling, like for fire. It's firewood, isn't it, really? But I'm gonna have a go with my mower, and I've got my carving set as well. I'm gonna make a cup out of this. See how we get on. Slurp. Let's start with that. Oh, that blade's a bit dirty, isn't it? Safety first. Just Grizzly J and Sparky Steve having a moan at me if I don't put this stuff on. I'll just take the bark off. See? Can't be ruining that. So, it's supposed to be at work today. I've got a locker job on. It's just a guy's bought a flat and it's all the floorboards are squeaky on it. So, it's been repaired before, but poorly. We've put a layer of insulation underneath the battens before they've then screwed the floorboards to the battens. Battens are not connected to the joists, so they're squeaking again. But anyway, yeah, I've kind of come away from the job today. I've just given myself a bit of a day off, a bit of a breather. I've had some, there's some stuff going on, as there always is, isn't there? This COVID lockdown thing doesn't stop the world turning, has it? Do you know what I mean? Oh, there's doing my beating. On the piss a bit, that is. Not too bad there. I know what you're gonna say. That's not how you do it. You're right. Not how you do it. This is how I do it. That's not gonna work, is it? I'll make a little bowl. It's not very deep. Yeah, perhaps got to rethink this. I think so. Craft. Yeah. So, put that way. I'll just quickly show you this little tool. It's like a Leatherman, but it's made by BCB, Cardiff, UK. It's got like a little tape or measure. You can fold it out. There you go. Inches this side, centimetres this side. Pliers. Got blade, tin opener, little spike, and look, it's like a really rubbish knitting needle. I don't know what that is. And then scissors, and for a multi-tool. Goes on your belt that way up. So there's loads of different types of cups you can buy and acquire. This one I acquired from Sparky Steve. Oh, bit of tea coming out of it. Yeah, and it's like the kidney shaped one. It's really easy to clean, stainless steel. Just literally rub it down with a bit of wobble. Brilliant. It's lasted me really well, and I take it everywhere. It's really hard wearing. In fact, my Bruce kit goes inside, so yeah. Tea, coffee, sugar, hot chocolate. There might even be some cup of soups in there. Spork, sugar, milk, etc. Or whitener. So it doesn't go off. That goes in the cup along with little gas stove, little Chinese number, and that's me good to go. Always also take this now, wicked bit of kit. Yeah, and that's in case I ever just want to brew on the go. This is the problem with trying to do bushcrafty stuff in your back garden, especially if you live in Birmingham. Not saying that there's massive amount of crime and stuff, but there's enough. Just another one, like on the last video you saw me foraging with my son, my youngest son, and we went out and we got, oh god, we got sticky billy, chopped that up finely, blanched it in water, left it overnight. Makes a nice tonic, detoxing, kind of really good for you, sort of thing. And what else did we get? We got wild garlic, which I put into the spaghetti bolognese that we ate. We used it there. All sorts of little bits and bobs. Oh, and turkey tail, which I've processed down into a powder now, and that again is good for you in all various different ways. It's supposed to be anti-cancerous as well, so yeah, worth holding on to. Yeah, so just there we go. Got the jerry can firebox stove on the go. Never finished it. Just like you might be able to just see there. Maybe I'll leave the carving for when I'm around people who know what they're doing, eh?